And today we are making some Irish potato pudding. Yes, you heard me right. So me and my husband, we have a little Irish potato farm. We harvest a lot of tiny small potatoes. So I was like, I'm going to eat and give away the big potatoes. But the tiny ones now, I'm going to use it for the pudding. And now I'm going to add some coconut milk powder. Yes, I am a modern girl. So I throw that in and go through World War III just to hooks out the little coconut. And you wonder why me's a modern girl love my coconut milk powder. Oh, I forgot the rum too. I mean, these are both flavor boosters. So I'm starting with the Irish potato first because it's called an Irish potato pudding. So pretty, man. Oh, my grandmother and my mother passed through. Time for me now to taste. It looks so pretty and I'm so